Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Spa Bromine Tablets. What is Natural Chemistry Spa Bromine Tablets? Natural Chemistry Spa Bromine Tablets are the best way to activate the bromine reserve in your spa or hot tub, which sanitizes your system against bacteria, algae, and other organic contaminants. Simply add these tablets to your spa's floating tablet feeder or automatic brominator for complete protection while avoiding messy liquids that require measuring. Best of all, spa bromine tablets don't give off any foul chemical odors to take away from your relaxing soak like some competing products do. Product benefits. The best way to activate the bromine reserve in your spa or hot tub. Sanitizes your system against bacteria, algae, and other organic contaminants. Tablets don't give off any foul chemical odors. Usage directions. Pre-treatment. Before initially using brominating tablets in your spa or hot tub, you will need to add 1/2 ounce of sodium bromide for each 100 gallons of water. The same treatment should be followed each time you drain and refill your spa or hot tub with fresh water. Treatment. Introduce 3 tablets per 300 gallons of spa water with the use of a floating tablet feeder or automatic brominator installed on the spa equipment. Adjust tablet feeder or brominator to obtain an active bromine residual of at least 2 ppm at all times. Spa water has a tendency to foam and cloud. This is directly proportioned to the amount of spa use. Cloudiness is due to the accumulation of body fats, oils, and other contaminants too small for the filtration equipment to remove, and is linked to the rapid escalation of total dissolved solids in the water. To a great extent, defoamers, clarifiers, as well as shock treatments, demineralizes, or sequestering agents can be used to clear the water. When water clarification cannot be achieved, draining, clearing, and refilling the spa is recommended. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.